When it comes to choosing a hosting provider for WordPress, TMDHosting and SiteGround are two of the most popular names. But which one actually delivers the best performance, value, and features for your WordPress website? Let's break it down and see which one stands out. First, let's talk performance. Both TMDHosting and SiteGround have solid reputations when it comes to uptime and speed. SiteGround offers advanced caching solutions, a custom-built server environment, and optimized configurations for WordPress. However, while SiteGround is known for its speed, it can get a little pricey, especially when renewing after the first term. On the other hand, TMDHosting offers good performance too, with solid uptime guarantees, but its WordPress-specific optimizations aren't quite as extensive as SiteGround's. While TMDHosting offers good value for money, its performance might not always match up to SiteGround's top-tier hosting options. Next thing to consider is customer support. SiteGround has always been praised for its customer support, offering 24/7 assistance with fast response times and a knowledgeable team. They have a dedicated WordPress team that understands the nuances of WordPress hosting. TMDHosting also offers 24/7 support, but their response times and overall expertise might not be on the same level as SiteGround. That said, TMDHosting support can still handle most issues well, but when it comes to WordPress-specific problems, SiteGround specialists might have the upper hand. The third thing is pricing. This is where TMDHosting has a definite advantage. If you're on a budget, TMDHosting's pricing plans are generally lower than SiteGround's, and you'll get decent performance for that price. SiteGround offers competitive pricing, but once the initial term ends, their renewal prices can be significantly higher, which can be frustrating for long-term users. TMDHosting provides more stable pricing over time, which makes it a better choice if cost is a major factor for you. Next, let's talk about ease of use. Both platforms offer easy-to-use interfaces, but SiteGround goes the extra mile with its WordPress starter tool, making it easier for beginners to set up their WordPress sites quickly. SiteGround also offers more robust features like staging sites, automated updates, and built-in security tools that are incredibly user-friendly. TMDHosting, while easy to use, lacks some of the advanced features that SiteGround offers, especially for WordPress users who need a bit more control and flexibility. The fifth thing to mention is scalability. SiteGround excels here with a variety of plans that allow you to scale up as your site grows. They offer specialized plans for high-traffic WordPress sites, which makes it easier to upgrade as your site's needs evolve. TMDHosting, while good for smaller websites, might struggle a bit when it comes to handling larger, high-traffic sites. They do offer VPS hosting, but SiteGround's specialized WordPress plans are definitely more tailored for growing sites. Now, here's the deal. Both TMDHosting and SiteGround are solid options for WordPress hosting. SiteGround might be the better choice for those looking for top-tier performance, advanced features, and superior customer support, especially if you're willing to pay the premium for it. TMDHosting, on the other hand, offers a more budget-friendly solution with decent performance, but doesn't quite measure up to SiteGround in terms of specialized WordPress hosting features. After trying both for myself, if you're looking for an alternative that might suit your needs even better, there's a hosting provider I highly recommend. You can check out the first link in the description to get a better alternative for hosting your WordPress website. With our exclusive link, you'll get the best free trial and benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out on this limited offer.